Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Online Account for Child Tax Credit, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into your IRS Online Account for the Child Tax Credit, start by visiting the official IRS website at www.irs. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page for the IRS Online Account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. Make sure your information is accurate. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links for assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your login credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one. On the login page, look for the option that says Create Account or Register. Click on that option to begin the registration process. You will need to provide personal information, such as your name, social security number, and date of birth. Prepare to verify your identity, which may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or phone. Complete the registration form with all the required information. Once you finish filling out the form, review your entries for accuracy. Submit your registration. After successfully registering, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the setup of your account. Now, return to the IRS Online Account login page. Enter your new username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Child Tax Credit section. Here, you can view your eligibility and any updates related to your child tax credit. If you encounter any issues during login, consult the IRS Help section for assistance. You are now logged into your IRS Online Account, ready to manage your child tax credit information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.